I finally got some parts for the Trailblazer. These should be my transmission parts. My silent chain, little piece of shifter. There's a chain. OEM. I got some wheel lugs. Need a couple of those. And this guy. Because the one I had was really worn out and it wouldn't shift right. So that's what I got right now. What's this? Oh yeah, okay. So I'm going to put that in the transmission. And we're going to see how it works. First things first. I'm going to clean up these cases. They're really dirty. I'm going to clean out the bearings a bit, because I'm sure there's some gunk in there. And then I'll show you when I'm done. Alright, I got it cleaned up. I got the new chain in there. If you saw my part 1 video, you'd see how much slack was in it. If you look at this one, it's perfect. There's not much. That's what you want. And it all spins around perfectly. So I'm going to get the other side of the case on there. Going to try and throw it in the quad, but we'll see how much of a pain in the ass it is. So we'll get that together. So I got my Permatex Ultra Black gasket maker. I use this for pretty much everything, from my differential cover on my truck to cases, and it all works great. So I'm just gonna put this on the surface there, and we'll get it together. Well, it worked. So I'm going to bolt up the transmission, and yeah, we'll see if we can get it in there. It was a bitch getting out, so we'll see how it is getting in. Hopefully not too bad. It's about 2 hours later. I skipped over putting the transmission in because it's pretty straightforward. You just put it in place, put the bolts in, that's about it. So, well, all I gotta say is the silent chain replacement was successful. It's not doing that, making that noise anymore. It's not struggling to go and forward or reverse. I just took it out for a rip, and it's doing pretty good. So I'll put that video up. I got it on Snapchat, so still got a couple things to do, but she's doing good. So if you have any questions, you can comment below, and I'll look at all your comments. I'll answer them, because I know I skipped a lot of steps in this process, but it's pretty simple. So alright, that's all I got.
Shutterstock Music.